Hey, Kano, what is that?
Daddy's thing for the snake, cause the Taos snake's cage was broken, so he made, a new coin.
Yeah, do you like what Taos' new cage is gonna be?
Yep, it's gonna be the same.
It's not the same, baby. This one's longer and wider.
What's longer and wider?
The cage.
Zilla's reptile terrariums with a sliding mesh top. If the screen tears, which mine did, and I don't know how it happened, I've never put anything more than my heating light on top of that thing. They don't sell replacements. They're great until you need them replaced. So you end up replacing it all together. So I guess it's safe to say that'll be the last Zilla terrarium I'm going to purchase.
So now we're doing the Exo-Terra.
Yep. It's Taos', well, a piece of Taos' skin when he shed it. Didn't come off in that well, though.
Can I see? Can I see?
It's just a small sheet. It's not a good one.
Ooh.
Wait a second. Because it's going to be slow going. I need to get the railing. Because, okay.
So this is unboxing our new large, wide, natural terrarium from Exo-Terra.
I'm pretty happy with Exo-Terras.
I know, this is our third one. We have one for the frog, one for Klaus, our red-bearded dragon, and now one for the snake Taos.
Well, I originally thought for the snake it was completely unnecessary.
What?
Some sort of lock they didn't include last time.
Interesting.
Yeah. Because I don't know how it works. I don't know. Let's see what we got here.
Boy, that's monstrous.
I know.
For one tiny animal.
Well, you know, I like them having space. People say they don't need all the room.
Wait.
The kitchen really quick,
Wow.
so we're not
That's
Okay,
very
gotta
nice.
go.
Okay.
You must think the world of these arms.
Ah, it's a good workout for you, babe. So, you're doing a wipeout? What does that
A little
entail?
bit of water, wipe out any residual chemicals. It's just a little insurance policy.
This is
idea.
cat.
Okay.
This is cat.
It's not flush right here.
What do you mean? I'm not seeing it.
It's warped. It's bending this way.
That's not good.
It should be. I mean, I think it's still pretty escape-proof. Just not gonna lie, it kind of freaks me out, but at the same time, we need a cage. So I'm trying to decide what to do.
Well, we can call them. And if they need proof, I have a video.
It should be sitting very flush. I mean, it's, to my knowledge, escape-proof right now. I'm just worried
Can you
about...
video the flushness? Because I'm not quite...
Okay, it should be like this. Okay? However, it's like that.
Oh, it tips up, so it's... There's the cracks right along there.
Yep.
There's no way to fix it. Like, why would it do that?
I don't know. Poorly made at the factory would be my best guess.
Yeah, because our other cages do not do this.
Right. But at the same time, it doesn't have to be, like, airtight. I'm just worried about it breaking over time because it's already a weak point. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Well, we'll see what they can suggest, because, I mean, we did pay a pretty penny for this. are you doing?
I noticed something. Just want to take a look. Removing the screen. There was a little metal bar in here. I was wondering if it was supposed to be. Never looked at my others from this view before. I was wondering if the bar is placed. No, that wouldn't matter because it's the plastic. Plastic is warped. Plastic is meant to be like this. Plastic is not to be like that.
And there would have been no way we would have known because it was all encased with that cardboard cover. So there was no way to know that we bought a warped one.
Correct. I'm just worried about it breaking over time. I think it'll be fine for purposes of keeping a snake. I don't think it's going to be a problem. I mean, a frog, I would probably maybe a little more. My only thing is I don't want to go through the hell that is setting it up, taking it apart, to replace with another. I mean, it doesn't look great, but it functions. It needs to be in a place where it can be warm tonight.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think he can get out either. At all. I'm not seeing any holes he can escape from. So I think it's probably fine.
Yeah,
to be honest. Just doesn't look good. It functions a little weird.
Yeah, it's a little awkward opening it.
Yeah.
Here, open it one more time because it does seem very awkward.
It does lock.
Okay.
So I'm thinking about keeping it. Just looks kind of weird. Snake can escape from. At all. It's just not...
It's not ideal.
It's not ideal. Should be flush.
It's not
like
what we
this.
bought.
Should be like this.
Mm-hmm.
But it'll be fine.
Do you gonna put the bedding in?
Yeah, we're gonna put the heating pad in. These babies ain't cheap.
Ooh, is that a new one or is that his old one?
Only one you can't. They're irreplaceable. Once they're in, they're in. They break. You gotta peel them off, which destroys them. And then you can replace them. But before then.
So where do you put a heating pad underneath the entire thing?
Yep.
So what's next in setting up a snake cage? I can't believe it's exact with the dresser.
It's not quite exact. It's a little big.
Okay, so it's a little
It's
over.
not bad.
That's true. There's like a little.
Yeah, sorry.
Show you first.
We have no thermometer for this today. They didn't have to get thermometers for sale.
At
So buy
PetSmart.
the one that goes with Exo-Terra.
You said you went to Petco and they only had the one that we had.
Or Petco only carried the Zillas. So I went to PetSmart, which they have a better reptile amphibian section. They got my business.
It's so pretty. I really do like the Exo-Terra cages.
Yeah, I thought so.
It's more aesthetically
I
pleasing.
thought the bulb died.
Oh, okay.
So, ooh,
Oh, okay,
yes.
good. Ooh, look, that looks so
Okay,
pretty.
The bulb did fall, so
Fall.
I expected it to die.
The other thing I liked about Exo-Terra was the fact that the snake's not going to be feeling threatened when you're going up over top to get him out.
Yep.
What snake bedding do you get?
Aspen.
Why do you get aspen?
That's what I read works best for them, to be honest.
Is it wood chips or what is it?
Yeah, it's aspen tree.
Or it's not even
Made
wood.
into chips.
Well, not chips, but they're like...
Shredded.
yeah, it's like the shavings.
Yep.
And it actually has a milk snake on the bag.
Yeah, all the books I read before we got them said aspen bedding is what you want, so aspen bedding is what I got.
It looks really cool with the red light. Are you putting the whole bag in?
Yeah.
Because he likes to really burrow, so. Our Pueblan Milk Snake Taos is a big burrower.
By the way, Josh's Frog sells desert plants we could throw in here.
Do they really? That's so exciting. Well, the minute they get that cocoa hut in.
It's not like he'll mess with the plants.
Yeah, that's true.
In a bad way.
You're just making sure it's even?
Oh, I'm gonna
the height.
Water dish. No, water dish will have to actually be switched over.
Why?
Because with the background it's not flush.
Oh.
Sides. So, to make it flush, put it over this way. See if I can change. Besides, he likes to hide behind the water dish sometimes too.
And now you're putting his hiding spot?
Yep.
He's been less of a hider lately, though.
Yeah. Well, it's natural for him to hide, though.
Can we put some sticks in there?
Excuse me?
Like, well, you do know what I'm talking about? Like, so he can climb a little more? Yeah, like that. He's had that, though, right?
Yep. Yeah, I thought about buying some extras today, but we didn't really have the cash.
So, another time we'll add more stuff.
Sure.
That looks nice. It feels less crowded in there. It never felt crowded in the other one, but now seeing this, there's so much more space for him.
Oh, kind of feels a little more crowded to me.
Really? You're gonna go get him?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get him, put him back. I'll get some water in there in a little bit. He's gonna need more water.
I'll see what you think of your new home, Taos. He's like, where am I?
He's going under.
I was trying to see him before. So he burrows to check it all out.